Terminal characteristics of real diodes. For this, we will understand current voltage characteristic curve of a silicon junction diode. This curve is entirely nonlinear and it looks something like this, where this horizontal axis is representing voltage and this vertical axis is representing current. This is 0. Now, this curve consists of three distinct regions. This is first region, this is second region, and this is third region. This first region is forward biased region, which is determined by V is greater than 0. This second region is reverse biased region, which is determined by V is less than 0. And third region is breakdown region, which is determined by V very much less than 0. Now, these three regions are modes of operation of real diodes. Note that in forward biased region, the current increases very little until the forward voltage across the PN junction reaches approximately 0.7 volts at the knee of the curve. As you can see here, this current is increasing very little here in this region. Now, as it is assumed that a conducting diode has approximately 0.7 volts voltage drop across it, so after this point, the forward voltage remains nearly constant. As you can see here, this forward voltage is nearly constant, but the current is increasing exponentially or rapidly here in this forward biased region in positive vertical axis. Now, look at this reverse biased region. In this region, the diode voltage is increasing to the left along the horizontal axis in negative direction, and the current is increasing downward along the vertical axis. This is the off mode of diode. Now, what happens in this breakdown region? When the voltage applied across the diode is very large and negative, lots of current will be able to flow in the reverse direction from cathode to anode. So this is the breakdown region. Now, these three regions are the modes of operation of real diodes. We have studied that in ideal diodes there are two modes of operation, that is forward biased region and reverse biased region, whereas in real diodes there are three modes of operation. First is forward biased region, second is reverse biased region, and third is breakdown region.